Welcome me to this video. I'm introducing this app to you. It's called Wildcat. Wide Cash. Wide Cash. Okay. With this app, you can mine the UHGT coins, and you can swap it to Binance, to BUSD, and withdraw. Okay. So you mine the good coin here using this app. You can mine the good coin. You can see how many coins I have at the moment. Right now I have over 800,000 coins, and that is the minimum withdrawal coins. Okay. So all you have to do is to download this app and sign up. Then you can start mining, and once you reach 800,000, you can swap the good coin to UHGT, and then swap it and withdraw to Binance, to BUSD. Okay. Alright, so the name of the app again is White Cash. This is the name here. White Cash. Okay. So you can download it, and I'm going to leave the download link in the description of this box of this video. Then you can download it and start mining. So once you download it and you sign up on the app, all you just have to do is to click on mining at the bottom section here. You can see mining with an hammer sign. You click on it, and then you click on tap here. Okay. Then it will ask you to solve a captcha. So you can solve this captcha by clicking I'm human, and then it brings out some of the captcha for you to solve. Okay, please click each image containing a hamster. Okay, so you have to click on the hamster image or images. Oh, I wasn't fast enough, so let me try to do it again. Okay, so click on the images containing ocean, then you click next, ocean, and verify. Okay, you can see verification is successful. Then after that, click on tap again. Then it will ask you some quiz so that you can start mining. So look at the question: which one is a kind of job in education field? Okay, I think that is teacher. So in education field we have teacher. So once you press it, you submit, and then you can say congratulations, go mining. You click it, and then you come back here and click on this tap. So you click on it, and then you start mining. Alright, so you can see it is now mining. It is mining, guys. Alright, so once you have accumulated your coins, you can click on wallet, on wallet, and once you have a minimum of 800, you can swap it. You can, first of all, you exchange it or convert it to UGHT here. Then you click on swap and transfer. Then it will go into your Binance account. Okay. You can also stake this coin by coming here. You can see how much I have earned from staking it. Okay, when you stake it, you can earn up to 3.9%. Yeah, it is loading. 3.9%, 3.93%. Okay, so for staking. Okay, all you just have to do is click on stake now and follow the process. Okay. So that is it, guys. It's that easy. And you can also make money also or mine more coin from quiz. Okay, you can see here quiz to earn, quiz to earn. Alright, so when you go to that section, you just have to click on quiz to earn and then select any of the difficult levels. Okay, you have this one, you have this one, you have this one. So you have 1 star, 2 star, 3 star according to how difficult they are. So and then you can click on any one. So you need to answer about 10 questions correctly. Okay, there is a timer that will be counting for you. So once you pick any of the questions and you answer, you click on submit, then you go to the next one. Then you will be awarded some good coins here, which will also add to your daily mining. Okay, alright guys, because of time I will not be able to do that right now, so I'm going to quit the quiz now. So you can mine coins daily. Okay, you can mine. So like I said, for you to mine, just come down to the bottom here where you have mining and then click and tap. So you can mine about, at the beginning you'll be mining 10,000 good coins per day, but as time goes on it increases to 33,000 per day every 24 hours. So you have to come to the app every 24 hours to mine. Alright, okay guys, so when you have accumulated your coins and you want to withdraw, just come to wallet. First of all, you need to have about 800,000 plus or 800,000 going. So you first click on this exchange so that it will convert your coins into UHGT, and then after that you click on swap and transfer. So it will swap and transfer, it will swap it to BUSD, and then you can transfer it to your Binance wallet. Okay, I've tried it and it has worked. I have withdrew some money from this app. Okay, unfortunately it doesn't bring out withdrawal. It doesn't bring out withdrawal. Let me see if there is withdrawal history or details. I would have shown you. Okay, these are mining details. These are mining details. There's no withdrawal details, so I would have shown you. So guys, you can try it. It's actually working. I would have loved to withdraw right now, but I still want to accumulate my coins to about 1 million plus. Okay, so when you withdraw about 100,000 thereabout. That should give you about 1.5 BUSD after swapping, or a bit less, something like that. Okay, so you can refer more people to earn more. Okay, you can come to referral under here. Okay, so this under your referral, so you can get your referral link from there and share it to other people. Okay, so I've grown my team, and you can get your referral link. Okay, this is my referral link, so I'm going to leave it in the description box so that you can use it to register in the app. Okay. Alright guys, so if you like this video and you also want more video like this, kindly subscribe to my channel, and also I'm going to leave the links to our Telegram group so that you can join and ask questions. You can also have access to other opportunities like this. You kindly like and comment on the video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you guys. See you in the next